boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the sun. Now, let's start off with some characteristics about the sun. The sun is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. Can you guys say that? Milky Way galaxy. That's pretty cool. You guys live there too, because hello, the sun is your sun. You guys live in the same place. So if you look on the map right there, Mr. Green drew an arrow. That's where the Milky Way, that's where we are located at, in this Milky Way galaxy. Now, the really cool thing about the sun is there's not, all suns look the same. So if you look at it right here, check this out. Boom, that's our sun right there. We have a yellow dwarf sun. So that's our sun. That's what our sun looks like. And look at all those other different ones. There's tons of different types of suns. Not all suns look the same. And they're actually not called suns. Ours is the only one called the sun. The rest are called stars. What are all the rest called? Stars. Hey, boys and girls. And what's our sun called? It's called a yellow dwarf sun. Can you guys say that? Yellow dwarf sun. Awesome. So, looking at the sun, what's so cool about it besides it's a yellow dwarf sun? Well, check this out. Our sun is 4.5 billion years old. That's pretty old. And the sun is mainly made up of, number one, 70% of the sun is made up of hydrogen. And then 28% is made up of helium. And then there's some other things in there as well. That's like the other 2%, like carbon and stuff. But most of the sun is hydrogen. So we have a hydrogen sun. And then the coolest thing about the sun is it helps keep the gravity in our solar system. So in the sun, around the sun, there are 8 planets. 8 planets. The first one is the smallest. That one is Mercury. The second one is Venus. That's our neighbor. And then the third one, that's the best one. That's where we live, Earth. Our other neighbor is Mars. After Mars is the big giant planet, which is called Jupiter. And then there's that really cool looking one next to it called Saturn. It's got a beautiful ring on it. And then the last two, Neptune, or Uranus and Neptune, those are the last two. Those are some gas planets, okay? So, pretty cool stuff, right? Our sun is pretty cool. So now what I want you to do is I want you to think, what is something that you might have already known or something that you didn't know? Okay, so think about it. Something that you knew already or something that you didn't know already. Now, I want you to talk to your little buddy and tell your partner, tell your buddy something that you knew or you didn't know. So you'd say, I knew this, or I didn't know that the sun did this. All right, go ahead and talk to your partner.